Suryagini, we did see the initial days when the recovery happened of the body and the gruesome case came to light. Across West Bengal, people were out on the streets. The Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee used to hold talks with them, multiple rounds, that too. And after that, we did see that the doctor said that they need protection. Protection is definitely now being given. If we speak about Suryagini, the parents, they are relieved at the moment, but they still maintain that Sanjay Roy is not the only person who's guilty. There are other people involved in this gruesome case.
Well, just a while back when this verdict was being announced, Sanjay Roy once again reiterated his stand that, he hasn't done anything in this case and he's been framed. However, the judge has set the time of 12:30 on Monday, that is 12:30 afternoon, when the quantum of punishment of this convict will be announced. There are three sections that have been added under which Sanjay Roy has been found guilty. I'll read out the three sections that under which Sanjay Roy has been found guilty: 66, 664 and 100(0)(3)(1) of BNS. Now, what is important, and the reason why I'm reading this out, is that the 103 section, that is punishment for murder, death or life imprisonment. So that becomes a very, very important aspect to this entire development. Whether or not he's been given a death penalty. Now, Aishwarya, there are two parts to this entire case. Firstly, there's a family which has been claiming that Sanjay Roy, there might have been other people involved in this incident, in this gruesome rape and murder. However, that has never been proved by...
Suryagini, please stay on with me. Kirti Azad, Member of Parliament, is now joining me on the story. Mr. Azad, the big verdict coming in from the Kolkata court. The CBI court has said Sanjay Roy has been found guilty. In a detailed manner, the judge has said that you have been found out to be guilty and you must be punished.
Yes, it should be. Yes, same is what we said. I mean, Kolkata police did the entire investigation within 5 days. And whatever charge sheet the Kolkata police had signed, the same was signed by CBI. CBI delayed it by 62 days. They couldn't find anything new because that was the actual fact. And it is because of the CBI it got delayed, but better late than never. We have always asked for hanging of such kind of people. That is what our Honorable Leader Mamata Bandyopadhyay had also said.
Mr. Azad, the CBI, and we also saw when the case was going on, there was a kind of a tussle taking place between the police and the CBI. The CBI said that the police was not doing the work properly. Those were some of the allegations that were being made.
Well, then CBI gave the same report as what the Kolkata police did. So how did the Kolkata police stop them? I mean, this is ridiculous. We all know CBI, how it is being used by Modi. We all know it, CBI, ED, IT, how they work. And this is what we said. It's a very sensitive manner. It was the central government played politics on it. It was a matter of a young girl who was a doctor, who was very progressive. She knew her work. We feel really sorry about it.
Thank you, Mr. Azad. Kirti Azad, TMC MP, now saying that the report that the Kolkata police had filed is similar to the report CBI has now filed.
बाद मर्डर किया गया, रेप किया गया और मर्डर किया गया, लेकिन पहले स्थितियां कुछ अलग थी, कुछ अलग-अलग स्टेटमेंट निकल कर आ रहे थे, तो उसको कैसे देखते हैं? देखिए, हर इन्वेस्टिगेशन निर्भर करता है प्रूफ के ऊपर, और बार-बार ये चीज सामने आई हमारी कि जो 5 दिन कलकत्ता पुलिस के हाथ में इन्वेस्टिगेशन था, उस समय क्या हुआ किसी को पता नहीं। तो जितना प्रूफ मिला, तो उस प्रूफ के वजह से संजय राय जो है वो कन्विक्टेड हुए। संजय राय बहुत बार कैमरे के सामने बोल चुके हैं कि मुझे फंसाया जा रहा है। राजीव कुमार उनके उसके खिलाफ षड्यंत्र कर रहा है, कॉन्स्पिरेसी कर रहा है। तो कोर्ट के ऊपर हमें आसरा है। हम तो चाहते हैं कि कोर्ट ऐसा निर्देश करे कि इसमें भी इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो कि कौन उसे मुंह खोलने के लिए मना किया था, क्या कर रहा था, ये सारी चीजों की। देखो ना, এর আগেও সঞ্জয় রায় বারবার বলেছে যে আমাকে ভাসানো হয়েছে এবং সে রাজীব কুমারের নাম নিয়েছিল এর আগে একাধিকবার, আজকেও সে বলেছে। আমরা চাইবো যে কোর্ট নির্দেশ দিক তদন্তকারী সংস্থাকে সেই অ্যাঙ্গেলটা খতিয়ে দেখার জন্য,
এবার তো কোর্টের উপর নির্ভর করবে, তদন্তকারী সংস্থা তো।
The judge in this specific case had said, I have examined all the evidence and all the witnesses. I have heard all the arguments. After going through all of them, I find that you are guilty. You are definitely guilty and you must be punished. In fact, the father of the victim also broke down after hearing the verdict. The father then said to the judge that we have always had faith in you. Thank you for honoring our trust. My colleague Suryagini is joining me on the story. Suryagini, we are seeing the parents very, very emotional at the moment, and they, from day one, they were saying that they will fight it out and they will make sure that the guilty are punished. They, however, Suryagini, still believe that it's not just Sanjay Roy, but a couple of other people who are also guilty in this gruesome case.
Well, absolutely. You know, that is what the parents had stated a few days back as well when we had spoken to them. But yes, that's there's another there's another part to it as well. And what we did see just right now in the court was that the father broke down emotionally, and he thanked the judge, for this kind of a verdict. And, he said that they have faith in the judiciary. Now, this is also very important that, they have been time and again stating that they have full faith in the judicial structure and in the judiciary. And that's the reason why they had visited, the Supreme Court, the High Court, and finally, the hearing was happening in this particular court. Now, Aishwarya, what's also important to observe is that, as I was mentioning, that 103... section 103 of the BNSS, that is punishment for murder, and that is death or life imprisonment. Now, on Monday, the quantum of punishment will be announced. Whether or not he's given a death penalty or not will be, seen on Monday. However, what is very, very interesting to say is that in the past 1.5 months, the various cases of rape that has been where the accused have been convicted in the state of West Bengal, be it in any district, all these individuals who were convicted of rape or of gang rape, they were given death penalty. The latest being, a day back from an incident in Hugli's Gurap. Death penalty was given to that particular convict as well. So, Sanjay Roy's, future can meet that particular end as well. However, it's either going to be death penalty or lifetime, life imprisonment. But let's not forget that various people who have been protesting, they have openly stated that in this kind of a gruesome incident where this trainee doctor, a young trainee doctor who was doing her duty, was working, was raped and murdered in a gruesome manner, which shook not only the city but the entire country. The punishment for such kind of a convict should be death penalty. There will be debates on it. There will be various people will have their theories to it, whether death penalty is correct or not. However, majority of the people in the past 5-6 months of protest that we had seen, they have time and again mentioned that such individuals should be given a death penalty. And as I mentioned, in the past 1.5 months, Aishwarya, we have seen that death penalty was awarded to all such convicts who were convicted. All such accused who were convicted of, be it rape or gang rape. So, if on Monday it is death penalty for Sanjay Roy, then there is nothing to be shocked. But for that, whether or not that happens or not, for that we have to wait till Monday 12:30, where Sanjay Roy will be heard once, as the justice said, the judge said, Anirban Das said, and his quantum of punishment will be announced. Back to you.